Looking for the best night vision goggles or binoculars in 2025? Whether you're into hunting, security, or stargazing, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll dive into top models that deliver crystal clear vision in the darkest conditions. Please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up or down, and comment on which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Nightfox Corsac 2. It stands out as an excellent budget-friendly option, even with its slightly bulky design. What impressed me most was its ability to record full HD footage in both night vision mode and vivid daytime color, making it versatile for various uses beyond just nighttime exploration. In my testing, the Corsac delivered clear visibility up to 150 meters, maintaining impressive performance. Beyond 180 meters, the image softened slightly, but I could still spot smaller animals like rabbits at that distance. Considering its affordable price, the Corsac's performance and practicality exceeded my expectations, making it a reliable choice for anyone seeking solid night vision capabilities without breaking the bank. Number 2. Sigweis Night Vision Binoculars. During my testing, I found the Sigweis to have an impressive, solid construction, and its slightly bulky size added a reassuring sense of sturdiness. One of its standout features is the ability to record full HD footage, whether in night vision mode or daytime color, for a notable duration of 2 hours and 38 minutes, plenty of time for most uses. With storage for up to 9,999 3-megapixel images, running out of space isn't likely. Transferring files using a micro USB cable or micro SD card reader was straightforward, albeit a bit clunky at times. If size and weight aren't deal breakers, the Sigweis is a highly recommended option at its price point. Its excellent night vision performance, combined with reliable video and photo capabilities, makes it a standout choice for anyone wanting to capture impressive footage. Number 3. AGM PVS14 3 AW11x1 6mm f1.2 Gen 3 Level 1. If you've got a military-grade budget and you're based in the USA, this monocular is the real deal. It features the same grade of photo amplifier used in military applications, offering a generous field of view and working effectively in starlight or brighter conditions across all distances. It also comes with an IR illuminator for close-up subjects. Note that while you can take it out of the USA with an export license, retailers won't facilitate that, even for friendly countries. Compact and surprisingly lightweight for its class, this monocular can be head or helmet mounted or handheld. It includes manual gain control for comfort and diopter adjustment. Number 4. Nightfox Swift 2 Night Vision Goggles. These are designed for use with the supplied head mount, offering a simple way to see in the dark without additional magnification. This makes them easy to walk with, making them ideal for hands-free observation. The goggles use 940 nanometer infrared light to keep you undetected, with a range of 90 meters, 300 feet. For greater visibility, you can switch to the 840 nanometer infrared lighting, which extends the range to 130 meters, 400 feet. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the goggles offer between 90 minutes and 4 hours of operation, depending on the selected LED setting, 7 options in total. For the price, these goggles are an excellent entry-level choice for those interested in observing wildlife at night or engaging in other low-light activities. Number 5. Bushnell Equinox Z2 6x50. This monocular by Bushnell offers an impressive 6 times magnification, which is higher than most other monoculars in its category, combined with a 50mm lens that effectively gathers light. One of its standout features is its Wi-Fi capability, allowing users to live stream footage directly to a mobile device, while also offering control over zoom, image capture, and IR brightness settings. The built-in IR illuminator enables clear viewing of long-range subjects, whether it's day or night, and the video capture is in full HD 1080p, which is respectable for this type of device. While it may be a bit heavier than lower-spec models, the Equinox Z2 delivers a comprehensive performance for users looking for a versatile and high-quality monocular. So, which is the best? After thorough testing, the AGM PVS14 3AW1 1x1 6mm f1.2 Gen 3 Level 1 stands out as the winner. Its exceptional clarity and military-grade performance make it the top choice for serious night vision enthusiasts.